And welcome back, Lisa Innenbach, if you would. I think a lot of your message resonates, and a lot of Tim and Jenny's message resonates with viewers. Deal of the day.
Absolutely. Normally, it's $150 to come in for a 1-hour consultation of your lab work, but today it's half off. You're going to come in, you're going to have a lab draw, and then about a week later, because it takes a week to get all the labs back, you're going to get an hour. Yes, an hour. Statistics show you only get 5 to 7 minutes in with your regular physician. Go to 25again.com/wave3 to purchase. It does expire at midnight, or you can give us a call. Some people still have questions, and that's fine. 425-0500. Please keep in mind the lines do get busy. Leave a message. We'll call you back and extend the offer.
All right, Tim and Jenny Martin are with us as well, and we were talking about some of the individual positive results that you've experienced, and that's fantastic. But as a married couple, how has it changed your dynamic? You mentioned you have a family. How many kiddos?
6.
6 kiddos.
6 kiddos.
I just want to do this.
Yeah, I do too, and I also want to drink a cup of whatever she's giving you because you all look great.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about how energy levels and how that family dynamic has changed, Jenny.
Well, I do think that with sleeping better, I have a lot more energy and a lot less fatigue and just that frustration when you wake up first thing in the morning to be able to deal with all the stuff that comes your way. I think that has helped me dramatically, and he'll agree to that too. Maybe not quite so stressed or frustrated as quickly as what I had been.
Yeah, if you're stressed or if he's stressed, it does affect your partner as well. Okay, Tim, I have to hear, during the commercial break, we talked a little bit about grandkids.
Yes.
I'm not there yet, but I'm ready.
Sure.
So you were telling me you forgot how hard it is or how much energy it requires, right? And now you're reminded about kids, right?
Yeah, after watching the grandkids all weekend, I am thankful that I have more energy.
Double dose when you get the grandkids,
It takes a
okay?
lot, yes.
Yeah, and I'm going to tread lightly once again, but more energy for each other as well. Is that okay to say?
That
That's
is
fine
correct.
to say.
All right. No, that's good. That's
That's
fantastic.
correct.
That's what it's all about. That's what, intimacy is an important part of a relationship.
Absolutely.
And if you can enhance that, and of course 25 can, then why not? So anyway, so grandkids, how many?
1.5. One of our children is fostering to adopt a little guy.
congratulations.
Yes, so it's very exciting, and so then we have one biological grandchild, so it's exciting.
Congratulations. It
Thank you.
does make this time of year even that much more special.
Oh, it's the
doesn't it?
best.
Oh, it's
It is.
magical, I bet.
It is very magical.
I'm happy for both of you. You seem
Thanks.
very, very happy.
Yes.
And I'm thinking this is authentic here. Tell me it is.
Oh, it is.
correct. I kind of knew it was. All right.
Yes.
Let's talk a little bit about folks who are now watching. You mentioned the deal of the day, though. But step number 1, just give them a call. And then what does this all involve? You said blood work. So they come in and a consultation, right?
Right. Well, they'll call and then they'll find out which location is most convenient for them.
Indiana's a really good location.
Just plug in Indiana here, which is a great location. But we do have several in Louisville. There's one in Middletown. There's one off Brownsville Road. There's one in Springhurst. There's one in Fern Creek, where I'm from. We have a location in Lexington, Crestview Hills, and Cincinnati as well. So we are growing. Why? Because it works. People are starting to realize this is, yes, it's an investment in my health, but would you rather spend your money on being sick, or would you rather spend your money on feeling healthy and feeling good and having that energy for your family? So here's our Louisville locations listed here. We also are affiliated with a pharmacy called New Vitalis, and it is the best thing ever because all you do is push a little button on an app on your phone, and your medicine, all of your hormones are delivered to you next day or within 48 hours, depending on the time of the day, and it's convenient, so you don't have to. Plus, we work again with that pharmacy, and we can tweak things. Compound pharmacies all make things a little bit different, like I said, because it's individualized, so it makes it easier for us to tweak things. But it is a wonderful, wonderful partnership. We make it very convenient for everybody.
It's all about convenience. Everyone has limited time, especially this time of year.
Absolutely.
Okay, one more question for you guys as far as your friends, co-workers, people notice a difference?
My sisters do, yes.
Yeah, and you probably turned them on to
Yes,
25 again,
yes.
yes. How about you, at work, Tim?
Yeah, my family has noticed a difference when I get home. I'm not as tired.
All right,
Not as
fantastic.
tired.
All right, let's talk about not only feeling better and more energy, let's talk about looking better. You have a Botox special, right, Lisa?
We do. I've been injecting for 7 years now, and we've never really kind of opened it up to the public. We've kind of left it within our members, but now we've decided to branch out for that as well. And you can erase 10 years in 10 minutes. I'm a candidate. I do Botox myself. Again, I've been injecting for 7 years. I've done some advanced treatment, some advanced training. We do have a special. It's just $10 a unit for members and $11 for non-members. And if you kind of check around, those numbers are really low. So that's good. So again, if you call the main number, they will let you know which location is most convenient for you. And I am the only injector as of right now. We're going to train some other nurses later on here, but as of now, you'll be seeing me. So.
All right, fantastic. Okay, Tim, so ask you both this question too. When people do ask you what's the difference, do you recommend? I think for a while there, about 10 years ago, it was like you didn't want to talk about it if you were getting hormone therapy. Now it's like, why not, right?
Correct.
Everyone talks about it. So you rave reviews?
Yes, I've recommended it to a lot of people at my office, a lot of guys my age.
Sure.
Hey, your energy level's down, go talk to these guys.
And you recommended it to your sisters, right,
to my
Jenny?
sisters and to just friends, because this stage of our lives, our hormone levels are changing, and you can do something about it. So why not?
Why not? Yeah. Making Louisville young again. That's
Absolutely.
all about
Best Christmas present ever.
Yeah, and you know, you will continue to expand. I know right now it's been a very successful business story for you and your husband Ted, so you're going to continue to expand?
No, absolutely, yes. We're looking into E-Town and some other states, and you know, why not make everybody healthy?
All right, and before we go too, we want to remind you about the deal of the day, so we're going to show it to you one more time. And Lisa, again, for folks, now may be the time. We're approaching 2019. Why not new year, new you, right?
Absolutely. Take advantage of this. It's half off your consultation fee. You're going to come in for a lab draw, and then about a week later, you're going to come in for a consultation for an hour. Normally it's $150. Today it's $75. Go to 25again.com/wave3 to purchase. It does expire at midnight. If you have questions, call 425-0500. I promise you it's worth that hour. Even if you do nothing at all, it's worth the education.
All right. Tim and Jenny, happy holidays. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Take care of those grandkids. I know you will.
We will.
And really, congratulations to you. I feel the energy. I thought you were newlyweds. It's fantastic.
You're very kind.
Give them a call today. Yes, you can be a member 25 again. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow right here for the Wednesday edition of Wave 3 Listens Live.